Good evening, students. Today, the next lecture of the dynamic force analysis. In the previously, we are discussed about the graphical method, but now we are discussed about the analytical method of velocity and acceleration determination of piston. So, in the figure, it is clearly mentioned that this is a piston crank arrangement. L is the length of connecting rod between the centers. Small r is the radius of crank or crank pin circle, and phi is the inclination. This is the phi inclination of the connecting rod to the line of stroke PU, and n small n. Okay, small is the ratio of the length of connecting rod and the radius of the crank. That is a L upon R. So the ratio of L and R is a n. Now velocity of piston. We know that x is equal to p dash p. This is the x, it is equal to p dash p, and this p dash p we can write that op dash minus op. op dash minus op is equal to p dash. Further, this op dash is we can write p dash c dash plus c dash o. Okay, this is the p dash c dash plus c dash o. This o p dash we can write in this form, and op we can write pq plus q, and this OP is we can write PQ plus Q. Okay. Now this the value of P dash C dash from this figure is the L, C dash O is the R, L plus R minus L, PQ is the L cos phi, and plus Q is the R cos theta. We know that PQ is the L cos phi and Q is the R cos theta from this figure. Now further we can after the simplify we can convert this to in this R is equal to 1 minus cos theta plus L 1 minus cos phi. Further r 1 minus cos theta plus taking the r common from this equation, L by r 1 minus cos phi, and now r 1 minus cos theta, and this L by r is converted to n 1 minus cos phi. This is the equation number first. Now from triangles CPQ, from triangles CPQ, from this triangle and CQO, okay, then CQ is equal to L sin phi, n is equal to r sin theta, or we can write that L by r is equal to sin theta by sin phi. Okay, n is equal to sin theta, L by r is equal to n is equal to sin theta by sin phi, or sin phi is equal to sin theta by n. And we know that this is the formula for the cos phi. Cos phi is equal to 1 minus sin square phi root of the 1 minus sin square phi. Or we can also write that when this sin square from this 1 minus sin square theta upon n square. Okay. Now expanding the previous equation, we expanding the previous expression, we can note that cos phi is equal to 1 minus the 1 minus 2 multiplied by sin square theta upon n square plus and further we neglecting the higher term. Then we can get this, take this one is this term 1 minus, take this one to this side, and 1 minus cos phi is equal to sin square theta upon 2n square. Okay, now substitute the value of 1 minus cos phi in equation 1, which we just show you before. Okay, the x is equal to r 1 minus cos theta plus n multiplied by sin square theta upon 2n square, and r 1 minus cos theta plus sin square theta upon 2n, and this is the equation number 4. Now differentiating this equation with respect to theta, then dx by d theta is equal to r sin theta plus 1 by 2n multiplied by 2 sin theta cos theta, which is equal to the r sin theta plus sin 2 theta by 2n, and we know that in very well 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Then velocity of P with respect to O, or velocity of the piston P. Okay, so velocity of the piston P is the velocity of point P with respect to O. Vp is equal to dx by dt, and this dx by dt is equal to dx by theta multiplied by d theta by dt. Then this d theta by dt is equal to the omega, and ds by dt multiplied by the omega, the ratio of the change of angular velocity. This is the d theta by, this is the change of the angular velocity, and this is d theta by dt is equal to omega. Then substituting the value of ds from the equation 5. Okay, so we have vpo. ठीक है, velocity point to respect to o is equal to vp is equal to omega r sin theta plus sin 2 theta by n.